The AIS is getting upgraded. New Mexico Mutual has sponsored the expansion of the NMSU Aggie Innovation Space and the creation of the New Mexico Metal Additive Manufacturing Center. The gift came after a visit New Mexico Mutual had in 2023.
The energy and excitement that we felt through the College of Engineering was something that we just couldn't turn away from, and we wanted to be part of that.
To mark the partnership, the College of Engineering held a groundbreaking ceremony earlier last week, where the expansion to the building will be constructed.
Our company is really big on innovation, and so when we saw what was happening here and their vision for the future, we knew that we had to be part of that.
The New Mexico Mutual Metal Additive Manufacturing Center will be equipped with industry-grade metal 3D printing machines, allowing students and faculty to explore new applications in broad fields such as aerospace and biomedical engineering.
It brings 3D metal manufacturing to the university. It also brings 3D metal manufacturing to the southern part of the state. This is something that hasn't existed basically south of Albuquerque.
New Mexico voters approved a GO bond in 2022, which allocated partial funding for the project. New Mexico Mutual provided the rest of the funding.
I'm so proud to support this university that I graduated from so many years ago, and to help these students learn and grow and thrive.
I'm just very fortunate that New Mexico Mutual trusted us in building the center, and we're pretty excited, and hopefully in a year we'll be ready to go.
The building is expected to be completed by 2026.